Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. If you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So in this video, I know in the last one I talked about grants. Now I'm going to talk about something that you can really do right now. Now, a lot of the ones that I talked about in the previous video were federal. And I didn't get into too much about state, but the best, least competitive for small businesses like ours is to look at doing local and city. And I'm going to go into a little bit more detail. So if you look for money, you want to get started, or let's say you don't need any money right now, but you want to put that in your reserves so that way you are ready to scale your business to six figures and beyond. Pow! This is great because grants do that. Now let's first get into what's a grant. A grant is money set aside through government for specific business needs and purposes. Now, what's the difference in a grant and a loan? A grant does not have to be repaid, a loan does. But you want to make sure that you fill out the grant application and that you utilize the money for what you are saying you're going to utilize the grant money for. If they find out that you don't utilize it for what you say, you're going to not only have to pay back the money, but probably face some pretty stiff fees and all the other consequences that go with it. So if you've wanted to know what you can do and you've always said, you know what, I would do business if I had the money, guess what? This is going to take that excuse right on out because I'm going to tell you about some things you can do. You ready? Let's go. So the first thing, least competitive, are local and city grants. And one of the places you can start right now is with your local chapter small business administration. There's a local chapter in all our areas. I want you to look and find and visit the local chapter of your SBA. The second thing you can do is you can actually visit and contact your local Small Business Development Center, and that is the SBDC. Visit them. Their whole purpose is to help you win and actually apply for grants and win the grants. That is one of the things they love. So check out your SBDC, which is your Small Business Development Center. Okay. The third thing you can do is reach out to your local officials. I know that may sound crazy, but their whole purpose is to do that. I personally know someone that is a local official in Florida, and they are a commissioner, a city commissioner, and they do nothing but help small businesses win grants. That is one of the things they want to do. So you may say, I don't know anything about my local official. I have no idea where to start. So you're going to start here. You're going to start at going to Open States. It's Open, O-P-E-N, States, S-T-A-T-E-S. And you're going to put in your state. You're going to put in the city. It's going to bring up your local official. Now, this is where I always talk about having that elevator pitch ready. When they answer the phone, you're simply going to say your name, your business, and tell them that you're interested in grant opportunities in this area. They will go out of their way to help you because we've elected them. That's our tax dollars. So that way they're able to benefit you, get your business up and running. Now, I'm going to go into more detail on grants, local, state, city, federal. I talked about going to grants.gov. That is what you need to do if you're looking for mainly a federal. State is more competitive and absolutely federal is. But local and state, they have billions of dollars set aside for all the states, all the local, all the cities. And in your area, I've seen $2,500 grants, $3,000 grants, so much money to get you up and going. Now, remember, you do have to be registered in sam.gov. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I take you through and show you the new way to register where you don't have to go to Dunn's. You go straight to sam.gov and get it going. So now you have absolutely no reason. You can be one-man person. You can be a one-person business. You don't have to worry about the capital. We're going to get you started on the grants. My mission, my goal is to do each and everything that I can do in all of the videos to get you to the point where you feel completely comfortable in knowing this is for you. This is for you. Trust me, if you're looking at videos and you are doing the work and you have thought about this, do not let anything stop you from knowing this is what you want to do and make it happen. And one of the things a lot of people run up against is the financial piece. So with the grants, I'm going to do a lot more videos on grants. If this video is useful and helpful, please subscribe and give a thumbs up in the area. Also, I'm going to put a description where I have other information. I teach a workshop weekly on government and commercial. And so not only you're looking for government, but another way to scale your business, do commercial. So I have 2 workshops that are absolutely free. Wednesdays are government and Thursdays are commercial. I'd love to see you register. There is a link in the description and space is limited. So if you're looking to really make that change, then make sure you get started right now. No more excuses, okay? So until next time, be safe and take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.